Want to improve and test your English at the same time? Then you're in the right place. Hey, English learners! I'm Allison, and today we have another everyday English story for you. Listen carefully, practice your English, and don't forget to answer the quiz questions at the end. I also left some useful vocabulary from the story at the end. Let's begin. Grace worked a lot during the last few weeks. She came home late every night, ate something quick, and went to bed immediately. Because of this, her apartment became very messy. Dirty clothes were lying on the floor, empty coffee cups were on the table, dust covered the shelves, and the kitchen sink was full of dishes. On Sunday morning, Grace woke up and looked around her apartment. "Oh no," she said quietly. "This place is a disaster." Sunlight came through the curtains, and for the first time in weeks, she really noticed the mess. She decided it was finally time for a deep cleaning day. First, Grace opened the windows to let fresh air inside. Then she tied her hair back, put on comfortable clothes, and made a cup of coffee. "Okay," she said, "let's do this." She started in the living room. She picked up dirty clothes and put them in the laundry basket. Then she folded clean clothes that had been sitting on the chair for days. After that, she vacuumed the carpet carefully. There were crumbs everywhere because she often ate snacks while watching TV. She also wiped the coffee table and cleaned the shelves with a cloth. While cleaning under the sofa, Grace found her missing earring. "I was looking for this for 2 months," she laughed. Next, she moved to the kitchen. The sink was full of plates, bowls, forks, and cups. She washed all the dishes with warm water and soap. Then she cleaned the counters and scrubbed the stove because it was covered with oil stains. The refrigerator also smelled bad, so Grace threw away old vegetables and empty sauce bottles. She cleaned every shelf inside the fridge. By noon, Grace was already tired, but the apartment was starting to look much better. After a short break, she decided to clean the curtains too. She brought a ladder from the storage room and carefully took the curtains down. They were dusty because she had not washed them for a long time. She put them into the washing machine and started a quick wash program. Then she swept the floor and mopped every room in the apartment. The fresh lemon smell from the floor cleaner made the place feel new again. While cleaning her bedroom drawers, Grace found $20 inside an old book. "Wow," she smiled. "Today is my lucky day." She also found an important letter she thought she had lost forever. Hours passed quickly. By evening, Grace felt completely exhausted. Her arms hurt, and she didn't want to cook dinner. But when she looked around the apartment, she felt proud and peaceful. Everything was clean, fresh, and organized. "I deserve a reward," she said. So she ordered 2 large pizzas with extra cheese and mushrooms. She sat on the sofa in her clean living room, turned on her favorite TV show, and enjoyed every bite. Before going to bed that night, Grace looked around one more time. The apartment was finally clean, and she felt much happier. "Next time," she said sleepily, "I won't wait this long again." So, that was Grace's busy cleaning day. Even though she was exhausted at the end, she finally felt happy and relaxed in her clean apartment. And now it's your turn. Let's see how much you understood from the story. Get ready for the quiz! Congratulations! You finished the test. How many did you get right? Write it in the comments. If you made mistakes, don't worry. We are improving step by step. Listen to the story again with subtitles, and I'm sure you will notice your mistakes. I also left some vocabulary at the end for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.